As we approach 10 minutes to 9, we want to get a final check of your pinpoint weather and traffic together this morning. Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello tracking a number of colors on the radar this morning.
Yeah, we have a little bit of everything falling from the sky depending on your location. Danielle, some sleet, some freezing rain, even some snow in our northwest corner of the state right now. And it is making a change over to plain rain along our south coast, where we're starting to see the temperatures climbing into the mid and even upper 30s. But it is going to be difficult travel along parts of 95 up through Coventry, both sleet and then snow farther to the north. And again, down along Aquidneck Island. And it looks like along parts of 195 here, you're seeing some rain and freezing rain. It's enough to create slippery travel. We have a winter weather advisory until 11 o'clock this morning for that potential for those icy conditions on our local roadways. So let's take a look at the current temperatures right now. We're still in the 20s in Providence, even New Bedford still at 29. We went from the upper 20s in Westerly to now 37 degrees. So that warmer air trying to push in from the south. And you see as it does that we start to see that change over to plain rain. It's a process that's going to take probably through the rest of the morning to work its way up to our northern border here and then maybe early afternoon in Boston. So here's what to expect. We are looking at a wintry mix through about 10 or 11 this morning with some slick roads making a change to plain rain. And then the concern will be for maybe some street flooding this afternoon in the showers. There's not a lot of rain. We're going to be under a half an inch of rainfall, but enough to cause issues when you don't have anywhere for that rain to go with all the snow that we have. Live city cam in Providence, you start to see those raindrops on the camera lens, but the temperature is only 27, so it hits those roadways, sub-freezing temperatures, and it just freezes on contact, creating that layer of ice. Here's the satellite and radar composite. It's warm air pushing in. It's actually creating this wintry mess this morning. As that warm air winds out over the cold air, we start to see the change over to plain rain everywhere. In fact, just getting a new update now in Providence. You remember we're at 27. We're now up to 30, so we're getting much closer to the freezing mark. This morning, watch for that wintry mix with the slippery roadways. For this afternoon, it should be plain rain, temperatures around 42 degrees with the south wind turning breezy 10 to 20 miles per hour. And then for tonight, down only to about 34 degrees. So most areas stay above freezing. The skies will start to clear overnight. Here's that Futurecast showing that change over to plain rain everywhere. Lunchtime temperatures. So we should be at about 37 in Providence, 40 to 41 along the Rhode Island south coast, 35 in Smithfield. Showers wind down in the afternoon hours. There may be a lingering spotty shower this evening, but the trend will be again for skies to clear this evening and tonight. 7-day Futurecast. So again, in terms of how much wintry weather versus rain will occur, we're looking at under an inch of sleet or snow for everyone, under a half an inch of rainfall, and the big concern, that tricky travel. Tuesday's a nice day. We're going to be mostly sunny, temperatures in the 40s. Wednesday, dry during the day. We're watching a possible ocean storm for Wednesday night and Thursday. I know nobody wants to hear about this. It's a close call. Right now, I'm leaning towards most, if not all of it, tracking offshore, but I am concerned that we may get a little bit of snow on the just very northern edge of that storm. So we'll have to watch for Wednesday night, Thursday morning for that. And I also have some snow and rain in the forecast for the start of next weekend. You can get the very latest Futurecast from Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca starting tonight live at 5.